Hello guys, welcome for Educate Fun. Today we are going to have an interesting topic. We are going to compare two dinosaurs. The dinosaurs are Giganotosaurus and T-Rex. So these are two ancient and powerful dinosaurs. The T-Rex was a king of dinosaurs, and before the T-Rex come 3 crore years before Giganotosaurus was there. So if you have a doubt, can Giganotosaurus meet T-Rex? Yes, one of the family can be meted. So now we are going to see this running speed of Tyrannosaurus Rex uh, or T-Rex. The running speed of T-Rex is 27 kilometers per hour, and while we see Giganotosaurus has 50 kilometers per hour and Allotosaurus have 55 to 30 kilometers per hour. So Allotosaurus can run fast, but we are not going to compare Allotosaurus, so let's leave Allotosaurus. So now we will see definition of the Giganotosaurus. So the Giganotosaurus that lived in what in now Argentina during the early Cenozoic age of late Cretaceous period, approximately 99.6 million years to 99.7 million years, the holotype specimens was discovered in Candiloras Formation of Patagonia in 1993, and it is almost 70% of the animals was named Giganotosaurus carolini in 1995. The genus name translated as giant southern lizard. So Giganotosaurus was living in South America. So T-Rex was in Africa and some other places. So the Giganotosaurus means as the giant southern lizard. The horns was discovered, the Rubin carolini, a teeth and some tracks discovered before the holotype were later assigned to the animal. The genus attracted much interested and became a part of scientific debate and a maximum size and theropod. So now let's see the size and mass of the Giganotosaurus. The mass of Giganotosaurus of adult can be 4,200 kgs to 14,000 kgs. So that is very weight. It can be like 14 tons. So it can run at a speed of 50 kilometers only. So it can be faster than a cheetah. So the length of the Giganotosaurus can be 12 to 14 meter, so it will be wide and big. So it can be one of the biggest dinosaurs, so this can be a very big advantage for it. And it will in the height it will be like 5 meters, so that is also good. So now let's go to T-Rex. T-Rex has a large and white teeth, so that can be an advantage for it. It weighs about 6 to 9 ton and stood about 12 to 13 feet, so that's also a good advantage for T-Rex. Of hip measuring up to 43 feet long, so that is also a good advantage. So it has a very nice advantage. So it is the king of dinosaurs with a foot length teeth and nearly 5 foot long skull. So the skull of T-Rex is 5 foot long, so you can assume how big it is. So it is familiar to the Giganotosaurus, but Giganotosaurus has a running speed high, so it has a very nice advantage to catch dinosaurs. So T-Rex also has the biggest bite of known living animals, chomping down with a bite force of 7,800 pounds. So or the weight of 3 cars. So you can assume how powerful bite it is. When you keep 3 cars on your chest, so the weight and the pain of that pain is T-Rex bite. So the weight of 3 cars, so it will be very high. If you see, it can be 1.5 ton too. So, fossil evidence shown that some of the sensory organs and processing center with the supersized two living. This hunter experience ability to track this prey. So, as I say, it can track the prey very well. So, now let's see um, what is its advantage. The T-Rex has the hook like um, teeth, so it can pull out crush the bone. It can crush the bone very well. So it, when it bites the leg, if Allosaurus or any other Triceratops, while running on it, when it bite on its leg, the advantage was more for it. So it can crush the bone and stop their prey running. So it has a very well ability. So it is very nice ability to track the prey. The Giganotosaurus ability is the teeth was so sharp, so it can pull out the flesh from it. So when it pull out, the blood comes and it can't even run. So it has a little lower advantage than T-Rex. So T-Rex has a very well ability to crush the bone. So T-Rex has very nice ability. So when it was a one-on-one battle, the Giganotosaurus brain weighs about 10 to 20 grams. It is really slow, very small size of brain. So it will be, the IQ level will be so low. However, the human brain weighs about 1.4 kilo, and T-Rex brain weights about 2 kg to 800 grams. So this can be a very good ability, and it is one of the brilliant dinosaurs in ancient dinosaurs. So when it is one-on-one battle, Giganotosaurus can win in ability while it can run fast, and T-Rex will stand stone steady and wins the battle. So T-Rex has a very good ability, and my one of my favorite is T-Rex. So comment it down which dinosaur can win. So thanks for watching my videos, guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the notification. Thank you, guys. Bye.